everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Denny. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, thank you for coming back. Today I have my BoxyCharm. I will be unboxing this. It's box week and this is box number 5 in my rundown of boxes. So right here we're gonna go ahead and open it. There's a lot of controversy around this box, whether this month was good or bad, and they're doing a lot of different things which they didn't do before. Basically, they changed their format and we don't all get the same box anymore. We get different variations of boxes. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but it's been this way for at least four months, I can tell. Anywho, let's go ahead and open it as usual. It has its little hello charmers and you know their boxy information. This is what it looks like on the inside, and of course you got a peek. So this is what we have. Is a pamphlet this month. Sometimes they do a card, sometimes they do a pamphlet, and it always comes with some coupons on the back. I will show you those so that you can screenshot them if you wish to use those codes. All right, I'm gonna be using the pamphlet to go ahead and reveal what I'm getting. Okay, so the first item that they want me to show you that I received is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. Now this is the item that people were either happy or upset about. I love eyeshadow, so you know it does not matter, and I'm not afraid of color, so either way I'm happy. The palette looks like so. I'm gonna cover the mirror. You get 6 shades. You get a green, blue, I don't know, like cobalt blue color, and orange, a pink, and a deeper purple. And it looks like you get 4 mattes, and the pink shade is like a glittery shade, and the purple shade at the very end looks to be like a satin shade. I like this palette, to be honest. I love all of the funky colors. It kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay Electric palette that has like those funky bold colors. I like it. I want to put a look together using this, and I'm happy. This right here retails for $19, and for 6 shades, $19. That's a really good price. I've never used any of Laura Lee's products before, but one of those codes was for 25% off of her products. We'll be giving this a try very shortly in another video, obviously. So then the next item that they sent is some House of Lashes lashes. And these right here, they say that they range from $9 to $12. I was sent 1 pair of the Wispy Mini, and they look really nice. That's another item that people were like, why are we getting lashes? What if I don't like lashes? This was actually the item that they kind of gave us a spoiler in our email. I knew that I was going to be getting some lashes, and I'm okay with that because I like lashes. However, if you do not know how to use lashes, you might be upset about this. The next product that I have is the Smashbox lip product, and the one that they sent me is the Always On liquid lipstick in the color Psychic Medium. I don't know what that is supposed to mean, but in any case, this is the shade. It looks like it's a brown poopy shade, and I am not 100% loving brown lipsticks as of now, but in my previous years, I loved brown lipstick. I don't know what this looks like, and I'm gonna hold off whether saying I'm gonna put it inside of a giveaway or not, because I think I do want to try it in the fall, just not right now. This product right here retails for $21 to $24 depending on which lipstick or product you receive. So the next product that we received was from Wander, and they sent us over the baggage claim gold eye mask, and I have 4 of them. Now, I was wondering because other people got 2, some people got 3. I ended up getting 4. And I ain't mad at that because I love myself some eye patches, and if they're gold, even better. Hey, it does not matter to me. Some people were upset because they only got 2, and I don't know how they did the math and equaled things out. But in any case, these Wander gold patches are $13. I'm not sure if they're $13 a piece or $13 for 4 or $13. However, if I look up the information, remember about it, I'll put it down below in the description box because I don't know. But I'm happy that I got those. Now, the next product that I have in here is from Bang Beauty. This is a brand that I see popping up everywhere now. I actually got one in my Ipsy. This is a chocolate eyeliner. So let's go ahead and open this. I typically don't like eyeliners in pot form. And the other thing about this product, I went to look at the color and all I could see is clear. And I know it has product in here, but can we just talk about how only this section right here has product? So this is the chocolate shade. I don't know how I feel about gel liners, especially brown. Brown is not a color that I use very often. This product is also made in China. I don't know how I feel about this product. This costs $22. Sure. I think people were upset about that one as well. And then the last product is from Adesi, and it's a sweet almond cuticle oil. This retails for $18. And I am familiar with Adesi's products. However, I believe I already have a cuticle oil from another brand that I received from Boxy or one of my bags or something. I'm not mad at getting this. I like having good cuticle care. So we did get 6 products. And this one was like, you know, some people were like, why couldn't they send us something that we actually wanted? We all want makeup. Let's just put it out there. We kind of all want makeup. So that was everything. This box was curated by Laura Lee, and there is that picture. That's her in the middle. I feel that she did an okay job with this. Not everyone has Laura Lee's taste. And when we thought of Laura Lee, we thought we were going to get something subtle, soft, not bold. And I mean, I'm not upset because I'm a very adventurous person, so I'm really excited about using this palette. But some people weren't very happy with this palette, and they weren't happy with the eye patches, which I absolutely love. I think it's wonderful. These 3 products right here are awesome. I definitely will get use out of them. And then I have 3 products that are possibly not, you know, to my tasting. The color of the Smashbox lipstick was the one thing that I wasn't really feeling. It's summer and I got a brown lipstick. I don't know. And a brown eyeliner. I don't know too many people that use too many brown eyeliners. And then this guy. But all in all, let's tally up the cost of this box. Also, I got variation number 1 of this box. So if you were like me and got one, you got this box. Probably not the same lipstick. Okay, so the total of my box was $102. I did go ahead and just add up the smallest amounts in those ones that had like ranges from $9 to $12 or things like that. I just used the $9 instead of saying, oh yeah, my lashes cost $12. Let's be honest, sometimes they're not. So all in all, I was very happy with my box. I'm gonna use all of my products, and I still think that BoxyCharm is one of the better boxes out there, if not the best beauty box that you can actually purchase. $21 for $100 worth of products is definitely worth it. If you want to get your own, go ahead and see the link in my description bar. And if you like this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my GonzFam. And as always, from my house to yours, love ya.